So today, I just wanted to go over something that I was trying to figure out, and hopefully this will help somebody. So, on my Suzuki King Quad 400, it's a 2018 model. I was looking for a receiver for it, and I couldn't find any good information on which one actually fit. So what I did was I took a chance, and I bought one. This one specifically, the Kolpin, Kolpin, 58180. And from everything I could find, this one would fit the 2008 model of this, which not much has changed. Transmission stuff I think has changed over the years, but nothing major has changed structurally. So what I did was I said, okay, this one looks like it'll work, so I just ordered it. And when it came in, if you read this, it says Hitch compatible with 2003-2006 Suzuki Vincent 500, and it says 2003-2006 Suzuki Eager 400. It doesn't even say if it's the King Quad at all, but I could see that it matched up. It looked like it matched up, let's put it that way, and so I ordered it. So this video to tell you, it does indeed fit a 2018 model, which means it probably fits 2008 to 2018. Don't hold me to that, but that's more than likely the truth. So yeah, so to do this, the actual install, I'm not going to walk you through it because I did this a while ago. This is just the first chance I had to show you. You basically just take this one off. These are the original bolts that came with it. There's two on each side. One here, one here. You take them out. They're pretty tight in there because they have Loctite on them. You take out both sides, you pull the old one off, and then what you do is this is a three-piece dealio. So what I did was I loosely put these four bolts in. I tightened them afterwards, and then I put these ones in. It comes with longer bolts. You don't actually reuse these. The new ones are a little bit longer just so they can accommodate the thicker metal here. So I tighten these down completely, both sides, and then I tighten these down. One thing to note is when you look at this, it does angle one way, and you have to make sure when you put it on, it angles. Basically, it's angling downwards, so that way it levels this out. If you put it on the wrong way, it's going to be angled, I believe. I'm trying to think. I think it angles it. Yeah, it angles it like down this way. So you got to make sure you do it right. If you put it on wrong, you're going to see the angle is totally wrong. So you got to flip this whole unit over. These stay the same, obviously. And yeah, just be aware of that. The other thing I noticed is I think you're actually supposed to put these bolts the opposite direction, which would work fine on this side, but on this side with this differential, you wouldn't be able to get either of them in because there's a little bit of stuff in the way. That shouldn't affect anything. But I just wanted you to know. I'm not 100% sure they aren't supposed to go this direction, but from what I could tell, this doesn't actually show you anything. But from what I could tell, this was the only way to do it. Like I said, this side you probably can put them the other direction. This side it has to go this way, otherwise it's going to interfere with your rear diff. So yeah, so I just wanted to get that out there. This works fine. This is the old one. This is how it comes. Like I said, it's just these three pieces, the pin, and four bolts that go in here. It's actually 8 bolts in total because you got these four as well. So yeah, this works fine. I just wanted a receiver so I can pull around regular trailers around the property. Yeah, so that was why I did it. This is not as useful to me. You could put a regular ball in there, but I like having a three-way ball so I can choose what I need to hook up to it. But yeah, so if you're looking for one, this one works on the King Quad 400. This is a ASI 2018 model, like I said. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.